Hey guys, Big Show Arthur here, and today I am doing some a video, and I'm doing it offline today because I just don't feel like doing online. My internet's being stupid, so what we're gonna do is go on a rampage because we have no money. So, but yeah, I'll cut to the chase. Okay, now you guys know what I'm talking about. Let's go murk on these people. First, let's go kill people. You can't hide from me. Okay, now I have hot. Oh my gosh. I just got wrecked. I'm gonna kill you for that. Excuse you, lady. Get wrecked. Like I said, guys, I am in GTA, not online, okay? I am not online, I'm on single player mode. That was the worst mistake ever. Stupid caps. Get wrecked. Wait for the cops to get out. Alright, so we adjust it real quick. Okay, there you go. Come at me, cops. Get wrecked. Oh, is he still alive? Dude, a cop just ran over a cop. Nice parking, noob. taxi. Listen, I have a truck. A monster truck. I can run you over. Let's say to see the highway real quick. Oh my gosh.
Look, you look like Chewbacca.
What do you mean I look like Chewbacca?
Your hair.
My hair does not look like Chewbacca. That was the worst ever. Oh, that truck just got wrecked. Whoa, no, I don't want to get off the highway.
You're funny. Here, that does not like it.
Kind of. Whoa.
Was Chewie funny?
Yes, he was.
That's what Hans called him, Chewie.
Whoa.
Did they fly together?
Yeah, they had the Millennium Falcon return. Sorry for the spoiler alert, guys. I'm like a devilish Elmo right now. In a monster truck. These cops are just getting wrecked. I mean, there's like so many of them, and then there's one of me. You're just getting pulverized. Not just the cops, but the citizens. Get wrecked. Oh, jeez. Bio. And now I'm stuck. Not anymore. Oh my gosh. What did... Oh. Really? You just had to explode there. Okay, I'm gonna end the video here, guys. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.